our leader. Yes, man.
Some people, VYBZ KARTEL, aka World Boss, has been sentenced to. The judge gave him life. The judge gave him life. Yes, people, just as he unconsciously used the lyrics of his song to prophesy his fate, VYBZ did it once more. In the song, Back to Life. And tell me, he got life. Prison is his reality. And he also told us when to expect him back in the streets. Expect Kartel in the 80s or maybe in the 90s. The world boss walk out with a crutch. While serving his time, VYBZ is to do hard labor. Mago walk till him blurple. And he will not be eligible for parole until him serve 35 years. 35 years, a long time, huh? 35 years from now. Some of we probably not even there. Some of we are gonna picking arthritis. All of them sitting there gonna pan with 35 years from now. Be your things. As for VYBZ, 35 years from now, when and if him get out. I'm gonna say if as in if he make it out of the prison. It's not an easy road. His kids might have kids, and those kids might have their own kids, and their kids might have kids who have kids. So we're gonna have at least 3 more generations of VYBZ. So it will move from Adi and me daddy
to Adi and me granddaddy who Bambex.
Robots might be running the world at that time when they release VYBZ. Boss. 35 years from now when they release VYBZ, he might be wearing adult pampers. Show me say pampers, everybody want one. And when you get a new pampers, the daddy, it will whole heap of do in a party. The content of his lyrics, if him still decide to go back in a dance hall, might be different. From me gonna doctor, you don't know when me a pre. Me need some insulin quickly, cause me a try to control me diabetes. Me don't like diabetes. Me don't like diabetes. Cause me say, when they release VYBZ 35 years from now, he might have a name change. He may no longer be World Boss, but Old Boss. Go let me wash my face with a cake show. Speaking of his face, most people not gonna recognize him because the teardrop that would up on his face I could probably relocate to your ankle. Cause you know so when they get old, skin starts sag and basing. So you don't know say and teardrop there gonna move. And look for them on the ankle when he come out. It's a good thing so VYBZ did have him kids them from early. 35 years from now, your body prioritized and certain organs now gonna get as much blood as it would have when he was young. I don't think he probably have to go worry about that. Maybe by that time Viagra come out with a new product. Were you just released from prison? Did you spend 35 years? Then your ball sack must be full. Planning on having sex? But you're probably too old? Then you need prison release. Look like you're old, but like you're young. Do not take prison release if you are over 70 years old. Oh. And last but not least, the Portmore Gaza Empire will become the Portmore Gaza Empire. With Gaza meaning the Gaza Senior Citizen Association. A lot of people are saying, you know, who will return first? Jesus or VYBZ KARTEL? Bossy, I'm on the on Jesus, isn't it? Listen to me, Gaza fan, because someone on the TV and make some statement when me have to wonder if no brain connect to no mouth. How no mouth does a chat non-stop and no business walk come out right. Let me chat to him. Do not mistake my comedic approach to the situation as me making fun of VYBZ KARTEL. Well, that's basically what it was, but isn't it? You approach the situation with a light heart, you know what I mean? At the end of the day, the situation is what it is. And with every situation in our life, you can learn something from it. So let's hope that the relevant individuals, those directly and indirectly involved, have learned their lessons from this. Right now, all you need to do is pray for the accused and abused. With that said, that is the hot topic. And if you don't know, April 17th, be sure to check out Street Swag, Black River, St. Best. I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can check out more details for the party. You see me? Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
You're not dead, but me know you can rise again like Lazarus. World boss, eternity, just be know you